Hey everyone, we are having another video for IXL S18. The questions are going to be about standard form equations where we need to find the x and y-intercepts, which means if you're looking for this guy over here, plug in 0 for y. If you're looking for that guy over here, plug in 0 for x. That's all you need to do. So find the x-intercept of the following equations, simplify your answer. If you're looking for x-intercept, plug in 0 for y. If you write that equation, x minus 0 equals -2. Solve it for x, which means add 0 on each side, or not, because 0 is not going to change anything in the equation. So that would be -2 for this question. I'll pause the video for a second to skip to the next level, guys. Okay, here's the second question. Once you hit to kind of 60 points bar, the questions are going to get a little harder. It's not hard at all, by the way. The only difference is now there are numbers in front of x and y. Okay, simplify your answers, find the x-intercept. That means plug in 0 for y and solve the equation for x. Still the same, nothing has changed. 8x plus 4 times 0 equals 5. This is gone. 4 times 0 is 0, so you can basically ignore it. And then 8x equals 5. Get the x by itself by dividing each side by 8. So x would be equal to 5 over 8 as a fraction. I'm not sure if you need to write this as a decimal or a fraction. You can just test it out and then see and make sure you don't do that mistake for the other questions. But I would leave it as a fraction using a slash. I would just type it as 5 over x personally. Let's see the next level. Okay, just to make sure, I just typed in 5 over 8 for the other question, and I got it correct. So no problem, no worries. You don't need to put it as a decimal. Just leave it as a fraction, but make sure you simplify it, which means if you end up with a fraction like this, do not type 10 over 20, because you can divide both of these numbers by 10, which would simplify to 1 over 2. This would be your final answer. If you type 10 over 20, when it says simplify your answer, you're going to get it wrong. Okay. Let's focus on this question. It says find the y-intercept, which means plug in 0 for the x-intercept. So when I plug in 0 for x, when I plug in 0 for x over here, that'll turn into 7 times 0, which you're going to just cross out. So we are going to end up with 12y on the left side equals to 20. I just rewrote the given equation by plugging in 0 for x. However, since 7 times 0 is gonna cancel each other out, I didn't bring it down. I just brought down 12y equals 20 to get the y by itself. Divide everything by 12. So y would be equal to, let me see this. Both numbers are divisible by 4. That's 5. This one is 3. That would be my answer, 5 over 3. That's it for this week, guys. I guess I am done with all 5 of the IXL assignments. Let me know if you still need any help. Just comment below on these for these videos. I'll try to help more if that's what you need. Have a great week, guys. I'll see you later.